Racing our DRM cars in 1981 on Zolder. Coming up next on Slot Car Racing. Hello everybody, my name is Trevor Slesky. Welcome back to another Monster Hobbies Slot Car Racing League, and this one is brand new. We are doing the old DRM cars from 1981. In case you're wondering, they look like these. Very cool stuff. And we're going to be racing 4-lane Carrera Digital track down at Zolder in Belgium. And this is quite a huge track, as you can see, so it's very, very exciting. And tonight I actually have a little treat. We're going to use multiple cameras. Now, as you've seen in some of the other videos, I use this one quite a lot. It can go on the tabletop and record. Then I got this older one. This was like the first digital camera we ever had. The one that I filmed Terror of Frankenstein and the Electric Frankenstein videos with. Low quality, but it's a camera. And then for my daughter's birthday, we went to the pawn shop and I got this nice Canon camera. But again, it's an SD card, not an SDHD card like my camera here that you guys can't see, but you've seen me walk around with it. So, without further ado and that little build up, let's go down and see what 4 cameras look like on this great slot car track. I gotta do that to hopefully sync all the cameras. Okay, here we go. Now tonight I got a series of cameras filming. First attempt at this.
Nose off the ground?
Literally. If you guys are liking the new editing, let me know in the comments below. Oh.
That was a good spin out and back.
Oh.
My front tire is jammed. Oh no.
Alright, does some quick adjustments.
My front tire is jammed. Oh no.
All right, end of the race, 49 laps. We got Howard, Glenn, Kevin, Mark, Daryl, and the pace car. Here we are at the end of the race night, and we've got Zolder, Belgium for our very first race in this league. And I have 20 points, Glenn has 30, Daryl has 15, Mark got 22, Kevin got 55, and Howard got 59. Next week we'll be in the Nürburgring Ring in Germany. And now let's go over and see our standings. And here's our standings at the end of the race. I'm in 5th place with 20. Glenn is in 3rd with 30. Daryl is in 6th with 15. Mark is in 4th place with 22. Kevin is in 2nd place with 55. And the star of the night was Howard in 1st with 59 points. Stay tuned next week when we get to see the standings change. Hey everybody, I really hope you enjoyed that race. It was a lot of fun, and I hope you liked those extra camera angles. In the future, I would like to actually replace the cameras with some really good cameras, like my PowerShot SX10IS Canon that I'm filming this video now with. And if you want to help me in this mission, please come over to our Patreon account. I'll leave the link down below, and you can click on there and you get extra little features like actually seeing how we build this track. That's all over at Patreon, as well as, depending on how much you pledge, you can get your names in the credits, like these guys. Let's put it over here. Yep, those guys. And at different levels, I can send you out stickers or t-shirts or maybe other cool things too. So anyway, if you enjoy watching us race, please check out these other 4 tracks here, 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 and here. And until next time, remember to subscribe and pound that key so you get the notifications, and happy racing.